I've been looking around, trying to find a place where I can go and restart my past. I'm tired of seeing myself in the mirror every morning, thinking of all the things I could have done, still ending up looking for you. I don't know where I went wrong, I don't know what I missed. I keep chasing yesterday instead of living this. If I could just let you go, maybe I'd finally last. But I'm still trying to restart what's already past. I took the train to LA. It might be a bad choice. It feels like now or never, so I decided to give it a try. Every mile is pulling me further from who I've been. I don't know what or where I'm running to, just everything I'm leaving in. I don't know where I went wrong, I don't know what I missed. I keep chasing yesterday instead of living this. If I could just let you go, maybe I'd finally last. But I'm still trying to restart what's already past. Maybe there's no going back, no way to change that night. If this road don't lead to you, I'll walk it through the pain. I don't know where I went wrong, I don't know what I missed. I keep chasing yesterday instead of living this. If I could just let you go, maybe I finally last. But I'm still trying